For example, we call ambulance. No ambulance is ready to come to our village because of the road. And the sick people or the lay people, even if they wanted to come for emergency, no vehicle is ready to go there. Why? Because there is no road. And today, because of the road problem, we have no water to drink. We have no water to use. What we use water is actually a muddy clay, and we cannot even consume that. If we consume that, we will get diarrhea, cholera, or different kinds of sicknesses. For example, now COVID-19 is going on, and in this period, if we use this type of water, how we will survive? So our request is to the government of India as well as government of Tripura and the local government here, ruling government as well as who are looking over the Panchayat and blocks, PWDs, DWS. We want to give a clear message that we need proper road immediately within this month, because as far as our concern now and our immediate report, government is ready to give us water facilities in our villages, but because of the road problem, they are not ready to come to install that kind of tube wells or bore wells in our villages. So our kind request to the government of India, even to the Prime Minister of India, Modi, we want to say a quick message is that please make sure that we are also the citizens of India and we are not outsiders. So to make sure that we are Indians, please give us proper road connection, proper electricity, proper water supply, proper health and hygienic health centers, so that we may also develop our country. In order to develop our country, first of all, we have to develop our villages. In order to, if we develop our village, then only we can develop our society. If we develop our society, then we can develop our state. If we develop our state, we will develop our country. Then only we can become a developed country. We are saying that we are developing. How we are developing? We put down our country and our citizens of India, and we develop other countries. Why? First develop our country, then develop other countries. This is our kind message, and please forward this message everyone, so that everyone get good support from government of India. Thank you.
Nailade joto takhum khuro chini koilang sing rotnagar dolopati road tinia lama hamyane chini takhum khuro joto palkhe phailaya tini chung root block ma kha baidhotamulok chung 500 bosor kang para khaja tomo tawtha tui hamya lama hamya tre karan kahamya tui hamyani karono bro malaria diarrhea meningitis bronchitis poder porugi may to abomboya tini brerau klaro phaye chung root block ma kha bolama ka samokhe hatima thara sabari lamprawa amboya naide gari bathamo asukhe kasolai bathalai ma to ha tini bazar bar thang phaimaya naide enke new jiram to hatima tha ekdom tawa bridge phok bai lai somaya ta wati phaikena abo tre thang phayung leimaya hatima che rugi sugi poder pot tini rugi poder po rugi rok tini tungfo brok phaime ane horja hokrei nai nei de nrao abo root block khemoni demand rok in khetre nai nei de chung bekhe root block ma kha ro nai nei de tini Ratanagar nifo faile jao Ratanagar bro ro enke nai nei de tawa kuna office ni kuna faya ko hogra ro enke office ni hogra ro keha faya ko SDM ba DWS ni S0 ro keha fa kuno safaya ko angba ya bathal ma to asuno 20 kawa funu nai hambai